Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process of setting up a Binance account on your phone and show you exactly how futures trading works. I'm going to take it step by step, so even if you're a complete crypto beginner, you'll find it very easy to follow along. First things first, let's get your Binance account set up from scratch. Before we begin, make sure you have the Binance app already installed on your device. Once the installation is done, go ahead and open the Binance app. On the main screen, simply tap the sign up button to start. You can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Look toward the bottom of the screen and tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, tap continue to move to the next step. Binance will then send a verification code to the email or phone number you chose. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification box on your screen. Next, you'll need to create a secure password for your account. The password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and it needs to be at least 8 digits long. After you've set your password, you'll be directed to the inviter confirmation page. When prompted at this step, make sure to select yes. Once you select yes, a field for the referral code will appear. In this field, enter the referral code SKY333. By using this code, you'll get a 20% discount on trading fees along with extra bonus rewards. That's why it's so important to enter this referral code before you finish your registration. Now, let's move on to the KYC verification process. Binance requires this verification to grant you access to deposits, trading, and withdrawals. Start by selecting your nationality from the list provided. Next, decide which type of identification document you'd like to use. You'll see several different document options displayed on your screen. Most users find that using a passport is the easiest way to go. When you're ready with your document, tap Take Pictures to proceed. Align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, you'll move forward to the facial verification step. Just follow the instructions shown on your screen carefully. Once you've finished all the steps, your verification request will be submitted for review. The review process typically takes about 1 hour to complete. As soon as it's approved, your account status will be updated to verified. Next, we're going to set up Google Authenticator to give your account extra security. Return to the app's main home screen to start. Tap the Binance logo located in the top left corner. Then, tap the arrow icon in the upper right section of the menu. From there, navigate into the Security section. Choose Authenticator app from the list of available options. Tap Enable to begin the setup process. Enter the authentication code that was sent to either your email or your phone. You'll now see the setup screen for the authenticator. On this screen, copy the 16-digit setup key shown. Next, please install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After opening the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. Select the option labeled Enter a Setup Key. For the account name, type in Binance. In the account name field, go ahead and type in Binance. Then tap Add to save the setup. A 6-digit authentication code will appear. Copy this code. Then return to the Binance app. Enter the code into the Authenticator app code field. Once you confirm it, your security setup is officially all finished. To start trading futures, you will need to switch your account over to Pro mode. Go back to the main home screen of the app one last time. Tap the Binance logo located in the top left corner again. If you see the Binance Pro option, just select it to activate Pro mode. Secondly, let's take a look at how to add funds through peer-to-peer trading. Tap Assets at the bottom right corner of the screen. You should know that the Futures wallet is used exclusively for your futures trading activities. The Spot wallet, on the other hand, is where your main balance for regular trading is held. Go ahead and choose Spot from the options, then tap the Add Funds button. On this next screen, you'll see several different ways to add funds to your account. For the purpose of this guide, we're going to choose the peer-to-peer deposit option. Now, tap the specific icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the local currency that you will be using to make your payment. Next, pick the specific cryptocurrency that you want to purchase right now. In most cases, USDT is the most commonly used and preferred choice among users. Now, simply tap this button to move on to the next step. Enter the specific amount of cryptocurrency that you are looking to trade. Tap the button once again to move your progress forward. Then you'll see a screen about the payment method. A full list of available sellers will now be displayed on your screen. For your safety, it's always best to choose sellers who have high ratings and a lot of completed trades. Select one seller from the list, then tap Buy. Keep in mind that some sellers might request a few extra verification steps from you. Enter the exact amount you are planning to purchase this time. Before moving on, make sure to review all of the seller's information very carefully. If everything looks correct and checks out, go ahead and tap Place Order. Once the order is placed, you will see the seller's bank account information appear. Before you actually send any payment, open the chat and read the seller's instructions carefully. When you are making the transfer, confirm that both the account name and number are exactly correct. Now, go ahead and send the payment using the payment method you've chosen. After the payment is complete, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload at least one clear screenshot or a receipt as proof of your payment. Once the upload is finished, check the confirmation box at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Transferred and select Notify Seller to let them know you've sent the funds. The USDT will be released shortly and automatically added to your spot wallet. Finally, I'll walk you through how to trade on Binance Futures step by step. Before you place any futures trades, you must first move funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Start by opening your spot wallet. Inside the spot wallet, tap Transfer to begin the internal move. Set the transfer direction so it goes from spot wallet to USD and futures. Next, select the asset you want to transfer, then enter the amount you want to move. After a brief delay, the transferred funds will show up in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading screen, tap Futures in the bottom right corner. The Binance Futures Trading page will now load on your device. At the top left, tap the trading pair area to choose a market you'd like to trade. For this demonstration, I'll select the BTC USDT market. Now, let's check the margin mode settings to manage your trading style. In cross mode, all available balance in your wallet is shared across all your positions. In isolated mode, only the selected position uses the assigned margin specifically set for it. For beginners, isolated mode is usually the safer choice to prevent unwanted losses. Next, go ahead and set the leverage for your trade. Binance allows you to use leverage of up to 150x. Using higher leverage can increase profits, but it also significantly increases your risk of loss. If you're new to futures trading, it's much better to start with lower leverage. Now, choose the direction of your trade based on your analysis. If you expect the price to go up, tap Buy to prepare for a long position. If you expect the price to go down, tap Sell to prepare for a short position. Here, you can easily see how much margin is currently available for your trade. Just below, tap to pick the order type that suits your needs. You can choose between a limit order and a market order depending on your strategy. Enter the specific order price and the quantity you wish to trade. If you're opening a position expecting a rise, tap Buy Long to confirm. If you're trading for a price decrease, tap Sell Short to confirm. If you press the Positions button below, you can view the position status of the signed coin. ROI shows your current profit or loss percentage in real time. Entry price shows your average entry price for that specific position. Mark price reflects the current reference market price at this moment. Liquidation price indicates the point where the position would be forced closed. To manage risk, tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the trade, simply tap the Close button. Choose whether to close at the market price, or close using a limit price. Enter the closing price and quantity. Then tap Confirm. Once the confirmation is completed, the position will be fully closed. Today, we've covered everything from creating an account on Binance, one of the top 3 exchanges in the world, to the basics of futures trading. If you have any questions, or if something didn't make sense, please leave a comment below. I'll try to check and reply as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end.